Hi, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, just a little tired.
Why are you tired?
I slept late last night. I watched a movie,
Really? What movie?
a comedy movie. It was very funny.
Nice. I like comedy movies too.
What are you doing today?
Nothing special. I'm going to the supermarket later.
Do you need help?
No, thank you. I'm okay.
How is your new job?
It's good. I'm still learning, but I like it.
What do you do at your job?
I work in an office. I answer emails and make phone calls.
Do you like your coworkers?
Yes, they are very friendly.
What time do you start work?
I start at 9 in the morning,
And what time do you finish?
at 5 in the afternoon.
That's a long day.
Yes, but I have breaks, so it's okay.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
Sometimes a sandwich, sometimes rice and chicken.
Sounds good.
What about you?
I usually eat salad or pasta.
That's healthy.
I try to eat healthy, but sometimes I eat fast food.
Me too. Fast food is easy.
What time do you wake up every day?
I wake up at 6.
I wake up at 7.
Wow, that's early.
I like to exercise in the morning.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, 3 times a week. The weather is nice today.
Yes, it's sunny and warm.
Do you like sunny weather?
Yes, I love it.
Yesterday was very cold.
I know. I wore a jacket and a scarf.
I hope it stays warm this week.
The forecast says warm weather all week.
Do you have plans for the weekend?
Not yet. Maybe I will visit my family.
Do they live far?
No, only 1 hour away.
How do you go there?
By bus. It's easy and cheap.
I'm going hiking this weekend.
Hiking sounds fun.
Yes, I like nature.
Who are you going with?
2 friends.
Nice. I hope you enjoy it.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like reading and playing guitar.
Wow, guitar. Can you play well?
A little. I'm still learning.
That's cool.
What about you?
I like cooking and watching TV series.
What do you cook?
Many things. Pasta, soup, cakes.
I want to try your cooking one day.
Sure, why not?
What series do you watch?
Mostly dramas and comedies.
Nice.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, very much.
Where do you want to go?
I want to visit Japan.
Japan is beautiful.
Yes, the culture is amazing.
I want to visit Italy.
Italy has great food and history.
Exactly.
Maybe one day we can travel.
I hope so. Do you like shopping?
Not really. Only when I need something.
That's good. You save money.
Yes. What about you?
I like shopping for clothes.
Do you buy many clothes?
Not many, just sometimes.
I need new shoes.
We can go shopping together.
Sure, that's a good idea.
I need to go now. I have a meeting soon.
Okay. It was nice talking to you.
Yes, it was nice.
Good luck with your meeting.
Thank you. See you later.
See you.